yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get your popcorn ready, cause the Kia boys have put their toes in the lava. I said the Kia boys are back and ready for some action. And this time, it's gonna be some 11-year-old Kia boys. I said 11-year-old. Yeah, you heard your ears right. 11-year-olds out here stealing cars like it's GTA. They don't care. They don't sit at home and play no more. They don't go to the park and play no more. They steal cars. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Kia boys down, or will the Kia boys make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let the malarkey begin. There is no audio, so I'm gonna walk y'all through the first part of the chase. Right off the gate, yabba dabba doo! Body on earth, foot in hell! Little 11-year-old feet to be exact. They in a Kia Optima. These some Kia boys, y'all. They done stole this Kia. They are 11 years old. I think the oldest one is 12. Look at him. He got his foot all the way down. He can't even see over the dashboard with his little musty ass, but he flying. Look at him moving. I don't know what's going on with these kids. How is this kid driving like this? He driving like he done this before. That's because he has. Look at him moving. 11-year-old driving like an old man. Like he been doing this stuff. He way up there flying. Look at him. He probably got pissy drawers on right now. He probably smell like pee right now. Driving like a grown man. He running like he stole something from the candy store. Where's he at? Look how far up he is. He way up there moving. These kids is crazy, man. When I was a kid, I was outside playing in the park, playing basketball, playing hide and seek, hide and go kiss, hide and go get it. Oh, he crashed out, y'all. He done crashed out. Look, they gone. They scattering. Naturally aspirated toes. Little toes. Little toes. Look, he moving. Y'all put your hands up. Put your hands up, you little diabolicans.
On the stomach now. On your stomach now.
Yeah, get on y'all stomach, man.
Please. Do not look at me. Where's the
What you mean don't look at you? Calm down, man. This is kids. I know, but kids can take you out too. But come on, you ain't got to be like that now. They ain't got no weapons.
Got two pruned out. They're complying. I'm getting you an address.
Don't look at me. It's wild. That's diabolical.
Get on the ground.
Don't look at you. What do you mean don't look at you? What are you talking about? They kids, man. They made a mistake.
Do not look at me. Stay on the ground.
What is he going to do by looking at you? And yes, kids can take you out the game, but not by looking at you. Look at him.
Just get on the ground.
They kids.
Stand by. Got all three now. Stand by.
Little kids, man. He came back to be with his friends. Yeah, you going to jail. You be out tomorrow, though. You going to juvenile. Look at them, man. Little kids, man.
386.
Stop moving, baby.
West 21st. Don't be reaching.
Please don't, please. Please keep y'all hands up, y'all. They're just kids, man. They just kids, y'all.
3865 West 21st Street. 3 black juveniles pruned out. They are complying. Everyone show me your hands.
You're going to call your mom, but not right now. Just keep your hands up.
Just lay on the ground.
You call my mom.
You're going to call your mom.
I have 3.
Please.
You going to get a whooping, too. If you was my kids, I'm going to tear that butt up.
Please.
I'm sad, man, because somebody led them to doing this, man. Following the wrong type of crowd.
Parents, a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
Going to jail?
Good cop.
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay?
He's a good cop. He was just panicking at the beginning. He's hurt too. He don't want to arrest these kids. Trust me. He don't want to arrest them.
There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white Kia. There's a white Jeep that just stopped in front of it.
Please help me.
What do you need help you?
You're right in front of it.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me.
You're gonna be all right, man. I'm sad because
Mommy.
it's all right, little man. You okay?
Please.
You made a mistake. It's all right. But they can't feel sorry for him because kids can take you out the game too.
Hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't hurt me.
Hey, stop.
He's scared, man.
Thought about that before you got in that car.
He didn't know. He's just a kid, man. You treat like a grown ass man.
See anybody else crying? Stay off your phone for a minute. I don't care. Stay off your phone.
Damn, man. I'm sad, man, because they been misled, man. These kids don't be knowing. They following the older guys doing the crazy stuff. And
We're in front of 20.
this is what happens
West 21st.
when you follow Diabolicans.
Go south on 21st from Denison, halfway down. No, you can't call anybody. You can't answer anybody.
I got it all in there.
Okay. Do you have any gun? Does anybody have any guns on them?
How they gonna have guns? You already cuffed them, bro.
What's your name? Take that off.
I got a shot in my head already. I don't tote guns.
You got a gun with you?
We don't tote guns.
You don't tow guns? You just got. Hold on, don't reach for anything. Hey,
I'm just
hold on. Relax.
this is our first time in the park.
Well, I could tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up.
They kids, bro. They not grown men. They kids, bro. Yeah, they broke the law. They bad. You ain't got to treat them like crap, though. They made a mistake.
Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
His mommy is gonna help him. Y'all gonna have to let them go. They juveniles. They ain't gonna get in trouble. You talking like they going to the slammer forever.
Okay, that's what I thought. It's not funny. All right.
Damn, y'all little Diabolicans. I feel sorry for y'all, but at the same time, I don't.
You're 12 years old. Stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
They've been misled. That's what's wrong with them.
CPD's en route.
One in,
Yeah.
one of your other guys will come up.
Yeah.
You check him.
Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you guys patted him on or not. You have anything on you? No. You guys have any weapons?
You only got $1 in this?
They ain't graduated to weapons yet.
Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
Who did I take this from? This one and this one?
Yeah, you didn't get your phone. Sit down.
Whose is this one? Okay. You are Is that your
Man, I hope they change their lives, man. Young Diabolicans, man. We come in all shapes and sizes.
Little man, how old are you?
11.
Hey, I wasn't too far off when I said 10, huh?
No, not at all. Okay. All right. Let's do this.
They gonna be all right. They just gonna go to juvenile. They ain't gonna get no case. They ain't gonna get no felony. But man, hope they change their lives. Hope this is a life changer for them. Meet me in the comments. This little dude was driving like he did this before. Yes, I feel sorry for him. But at the same time, a Diabolican, they start out young. They jump off the porch young. These little boys jumped off the porch probably at 9. I know they 10 and 11, and I know they look like babies. But they Diabolicans. Because they've been raised by Diabolicans. They probably do got some good mothers and fathers. But when you let your kids off the porch and let them out into this world, they start hanging around negative people that don't know no better. The people that they hanging out with was raised by Diabolicans. And it's been an ongoing circle. They just pulling more and more Diabolicans in. You know, it look cool to be a Diabolican. It's cool to steal a Kia. You know how they know how to steal a Kia? You know, they've been watching too much internet. Following their homeboys, their older homies. Misleading them down the wrong path. Crazy. Young Diabolicans. They don't know. See, the thing about when you're young, you don't really know the consequences of the things that you're doing. They speeding down these streets. They ain't thinking about crashing. They ain't thinking about hitting innocent people. They ain't thinking about getting unalived by the police. They not thinking about that because their brains ain't fully developed.
Right now!
Look at him. Listen to him when listen. These are kids.
In the backyard right now.
His name is Clarkin Del Paz.
Damn.
On the stomach now! On your stomach now!
I didn't know he was telling like that.
Do not look at me!
Use his whole government name. Cardell Potts. You over there. Cool Hand Lou.
Got two pruned out there complying. I'm getting you an address. Stand
That's
by.
crazy, man.
Do not look at me. Get on the ground.
It's crazy because you can see yourself in these little kids, man. When you're young, you look up to the wrong people when you grow up in the hood. I ain't talking about suburbia. I'm talking about when you grow up in the hood. If you're from the hood, you know what I'm talking about. The bad guys seem like the cool guys, you know? Some of the bad guys is real. And they be like, man, don't you be doing this. They'll put you right back on the porch if you jump off the porch. It's some good Diabolicans out there. They Diabolicans, but they don't want you to be no Diabolicans. I know quite a few people that was like that, man. I'm like, nah, man, you get your little mannish ass back on the porch. You ain't supposed to be out here in these streets doing the things we doing. But they don't make those Diabolicans as far away now. They ain't like that no more. They used to make you not try to be like them. Now they want you to be like them. Look at these kids, man. Look at them. Listen to them, y'all.
Just lay on the ground. Just lay on the ground.
Listen to him crying, y'all.
You got my mom.
Your mom can't help you right now. She will be able to help you, but not right now. And all that, man. Why he snitching? Listen, he a kid. He's a kid.
Please. Please don't hurt us.
He don't know no better.
You call my mom.
We'll call parents in a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
And the cop, you know.
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay? Just keep on complying.
We know some more people that be.
What?
It's at the middle of an intersection. There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white.
See, the thing about it is even the cop, you know, you can hear it in his voice. He like, man, I'm so happy I didn't have to take these kids out. He happy. You can hear it in his voice.
Oh, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me.
Look, he's scared. He ain't never been in no situation like this. But you still got to watch him because you never know. He could be putting on the act.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay. I got it.
Please don't hurt me.
I have a knife checking you.
Hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't hurt
This guy right here, come on, man. You know they kids, man. You know they scared. I understand you doing your job, but they scared. They don't know the consequences. When you young, you don't know the consequences of things you do. Brains ain't fully developed.
You see anybody else crying?
But he can cry. He's a kid. He can cry.
I don't care. Stay off your phone.
Your cousin. Your cousin can't help you right now. Man, I'm just sad, y'all. Meet me in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this one, man. I had to drop this one because we know we sniggle and giggle, y'all. But when it really come down to it, man, these diabolicans is being misled. These young men, 10, 11, maybe 12 tops, they don't know what they doing, man. They just following what they see on TV, Grand Theft Auto. I ain't blaming the video games or nothing like that. I'm really blaming the neighborhood kids and misleading them. Telling that, oh man, y'all should do this and do this. This how you steal a kid. This what you do. This what I letting them do that stuff, telling them, nah, man, don't do this stuff that we doing. They don't care. They just don't care no more. You know? It's a cold, cold world out there. I'm just glad these little kids didn't do no sudden movements. You know, they put their hands up, they got on their knees, they get laid on their bellies, you know, they didn't make no sudden movements. I'm just thankful that nothing happened bad to them, you know. That's the best thing about it. At least they get to go home to their parents. At least the cops ain't got to worry about having to take out some young kids because 99% of the police don't want to take out nobody. They didn't want to hurt these kids. They hurt too. They're like, man, 10, 11, 12, that's crazy. Listen to the lady talking to him.
All right.
Well, they got time here somewhere. I got these kids. They are.
How old are you? 12. You're 12.
12.
Stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
Look at her. He grew up in the hood, baby. See, she don't understand. You know, he grew up in the hood. You know, they be like, oh, you got choices. When you're young, you really don't got no choice because you're going to follow what you think is cool. They don't know no better. Eventually, when they get older, they can look back and they can make the solid decision. But right now, they can't make the solid decision. Shout out to the police officers for not hurting the kids. You know, could have been one of them could have been a little nicer, but it is what it is. He just trying to stay. He just trying to make out. He's trying to get home to his family. So we ain't gonna knock him like that because he's trying to get home to his family. He probably got some kids. He's trying to get home to. Believe me, he don't want to be mean to the kids. Hopefully, he don't. He just got to do his job. At the end of the day, he got to do his job. His main focus is to protect himself and society, and then the kid. It's just how it goes. When you're a diabolic, and these are the rules. Just shout out to the police for, you know, not hurting the kids. It could have been worse. But with that being said, go ahead and give y'all some positivity. Watch who you roll with. Watch who you follow. Watch who you think is cool. Because they will mislead you. You never know what somebody is into, especially if you got some street friends. Listen, you got to put them to the side. You got to push them away from you. They could be you can love them from afar, but you can't be kicking it with them. You can't kick it with street guys because they got street beef. And that street beef can reach out and touch you. You know? You got to start thinking. Take care of your kids. Tell your kids. Show your kids this video. Let them know the consequences of being bad. That's consequences. These little guys got to go to juvenile for maybe a year or two. They may have to go till they're 21. Who knows? But hopefully it'll change their lives. Hopefully their parents straighten them out, you know. Get them on the right path. Stealing kids. Look at it. It's a little kid running. That's a little kid. Stealing kids. They crash into the house. They don't know consequences. Listen, we got to do better, y'all. We got to raise these kids right. Let's give these kids a chance at life. That's our future right there. That's our future right there. Look at them. Let's make good decisions, y'all. That's all I'm trying to say, man. Make good decisions. Be careful out there. Have a great holiday. I will be back tomorrow on Christmas to give you another video. But hey, y'all stay blessed up and y'all stay safe. Meet me in the comments and let me know what y'all think about this video. I know you're like, man, T-Light, this is kind of touching. Yeah, it is kind of touching, but I had to give it to you. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Meet me in the comments. Hit that hype button. Share this video. Share this video so all the young people can know what the consequences of being bad and making bad decisions can be like. But I'm going to slide on up out of here. But hey, a diabolic is going to be a diabolic. But if you are going to be a diabolic, I'm going to need for you to listen to me because this is important. Listen to me, diabolicans, because we do not condone running from the police. I don't care what age you are. We do not condone it. But if you are a diabolic, can you please, listen to me now. Listen to me now. Can you please put your arm around the young diabolicans and tell them, don't be like me. Stop being a diabolican and go back home. Can you do that? Can you protect the youngsters? Can you do that for me?